Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect the microphone to your BandLab. Okay, this is going to work on laptop or PC or whatever device you are using. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for BandLab, the first thing, and you want to log in into your account. So I'm going to click here on the first result. As you can see, BandLab make music online. So after you click on it, guys, what you guys need to do next is you want to click here on, as you can see here, guys, on create. Okay, so make sure, like I said, you log in into your account, click on create, and then I'm going to click here on new project. Okay, new project. Now it's going to take you guys here to your where you can edit your audio. Now I'm going to try to like upload an audio here just as an example. Now as you can see, it says here microphone here in the top. As you can see in the top left, you want to click on this. Okay, this button here in the top left, it says this microphone button here. Now after that, or whatever you see here, click on it, and here you will say here microphone. Okay, now you want to plug in, you want to add here, you want to plug in your USB to your PC, like that is your microphone here to your laptop or PC. So just plug it, and then you will be able to see it here. Okay, so after that, when you see here microphone, you want to click on this arrow here, arrow, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Now after that, you will be able to see the microphone name that you have added to your laptop. Now in my case, it's Riser Mini. Okay, so as you can see, it's working right now. As you can see, it's recording. Now just select it. Okay, like in my case, like I said, it's Riser Mini. Just click on it, and that's exactly, guys, how you can add microphone to your BandLab. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you. Now you can start recording, as you can see. Okay, and you can start now recording using your own microphone. Now drop a like, guys, if this one helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. See you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.